This is a problem we did early in the semester. So and it was a hard one. This is one a lot of people struggled with. So make sure you spend some time reminding yourself how to do these types of problems. This was a really frequently missed problem. So whenever we have these fractions in the equation, the way I would recommend doing it is multiply by the LCD. Now, it can be a little work up front, but it makes it so much easier, makes the problem so much easier to solve after this step. So we look for the lowest number that goes into both 3, 2, and 4. In this case, that these numbers will go into, and that's going to be 12. Next, we multiply by 12 to every term. So multiply 12 here. Don't forget this one, even though this doesn't have a denominator, we still have to multiply every single term. So something I saw is people trying to multiply just 1 or 2 terms. No, to keep the equation balanced, if you're going to multiply a number, you have to multiply every single term to keep that whole equation balanced. Okay, now let's go through and cross cancel. If you're not comfortable with cross canceling, you can just multiply these and end up with, okay, 24, remember this is over 1, so 24 thirds x plus 12 over 2 equals 12x minus 36 fourths, and then simplify all of these. Or you can cross cancel. You can say, okay, 12 and 3, no, 3 goes into 3 once. 3 goes into 12 4 times, so 4 times 2 is 8x. 12 and 2, 2 goes into 2 once. 2 goes into 12 6 times. So I'm basically just dividing the same number out of both of these. Plus 6 equals 12x. 4 and 12, I've got 4 goes into 4 once. 4 goes into 12 3 times, so 3 times 3 is 9, so minus 9. Okay, now notice I would have gotten the same thing here. 24 divided by 3 is 8, 12 divided by 2 is 6, and 36 divided by 4 is 9. So you get the same thing either way, but just choose a method and go with it. Okay, now we want to get like terms on the same side. So minus 12x. So those cancel. I have 8 minus 12 is going to give me a negative 4. Plus 6 equals negative 9. Keep that sign in front of the number always. Okay, we want to get our constant terms. So minus 6 on each side. So we get negative 4x equals a negative 15. We divide by negative 4 on each side. So x equals negative divided by a negative becomes a positive, so it just is going to be a positive 15 fourths. I did accept this in decimal form, but I would recommend just leaving it as an improper fraction, especially because the original problem was given to you as a fraction. So again, find your LCD, multiply every single term by that LCD, and then you just simplify that and solve. Hopefully this helps.